Today I will be sketching cartoons very fast. Hello everyone, I am Nikita, the animation addict. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am sketching cartoons really quickly and fast in a very gestural manner to get better at posing, gesture drawing and improve the quality of my lines. And obviously for fun. So what I am doing here is I am just watching my favorite cartoons and pausing at my favorite frames and then drawing the poses. The first thing to do is focus on the gesture of the poses. I am only going for the gesture and the essence of the not for the likeness of my favorite cartoon. I am just putting in broad lines and trying to get better at what I am doing. Focusing on the basic shapes of the character, the angles that the character is taking, and then afterwards a few facial details. Let's move on to the second one. Just the fluid lines. I am putting these lines very light, as you can see. Fluid broad lines. Very gestural. This is my most favorite practice, drawing cartoons very fast. It helps me to refresh my mind and also it keeps me lively as I'm drawing my favorite cartoons. This is real-time speed of me drawing the cartoons. I take about 2 minutes to draw a single cartoon. Now, this is where we get fast. I take around 2 minutes for a single cartoon sketch. It helps me loosen up and don't get caught up in the details. Yes, the eyes, fast. Focus on the gesture, the story. No details, no shading. Here I am adding a little bit of character to my sketches, but you can also leave it as it is, just with the gesture and essence of the pose, just like a stick figure. The essence of the pose, the stories of the pose should be communicated. Oh, I am drawing with a pencil color this time. We must change the mediums while we are sketching so we don't get bored drawing with the same tool all the time. After sketching a lot with the pencil, here I am with the color pencil. And now I am focusing a little more on the cleanup thing. And after putting it roughly with the color pencil, I can also go over it with a normal black pencil to give it a more cleaned up feel. Fast, fast, fast! Oh my god, this is way too fast. Fast, fluid gesture drawing. While you are doing this, it's very important to have fun with drawing. So you can pick multiple colors while drawing, and also you can color a little bit. Play with colors a little bit. Coloring and rendering is not the goal for this type of sketching, but you can have some fun. Quick sketching cartoons was a lot of fun for me. If you also enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up. You can also get in touch with me on my Instagram, The Animation Addict. If you have any requests, suggestions for the next video, you can drop it in the comment section. Stay subscribed. I will be back with a new video next week. This is Nikita, the Animation Addict. Bye bye.